we're gonna be playing this mukbang game. So what you do is you eat and just mukbang. So I've not tried this game yet. It's telling me to go somewhere. Is this a restaurant? It looks like it is. Oh, please take a. It is on the table in order. This cabbage? This is someone's food. I don't want to take anyone's food. Let's cook this thing. Mukbang menu. Oh, lemon hot chicken. I'd like to get everything. Cheesy smokes. Oh my god. And then let's get the snacks. Takis dog and flaming hot dog. Because I love these. Get out of here. Come on. Let's, okay. Takis dog. Put this over here. Cheesy snow. Put this over here. Let's put the Taki dogs next to the flaming hot dogs. Wait a second. Wait, can I put it over here? Oh, yes, you can put it over here. There you go. Now let's go eat the flaming hot dogs. Hope y'all enjoyed the mukbang. Oh, this is actually so satisfying. And we're going to be trying to steal from people. Get the toss and this. Oh, that's so yummy. Pea sauce. Mayo. No, that's cheese. Not worth ranch. There we go. Let's do all the flavors. Oh my god. Wait, I have an idea. Let's take all of these. And then put it in spicy sauce. If I like it, and then oh, I like that. Oh, there's more. I would like the honey. I would like the honey, bro. Where is it? Oh, this is the mustard. Okay. Kind of looks like honey. Not gonna lie. Oh my god. Who am I, Taki dog? No, let's put it down. Oh my god. So good. Flaming hot chicken, forgot about that. Oh, this is honey, I think. I think this is honey. What did that sound? Let's get some more food. This food looks amazing, but I want to get ramen. Because I love ramen. You're a ramen monster. So let's get some eggs. Let's get spicy, 2x spicy. 2x spicy. Dumplings and sausage. Place the order. Oh my god, this food looks so good. I have so many. Oh, God. This is good. This is the ramen menu. This is the ramen. Oh, you enjoy. They all make the same sound? Oh, I love this. Oh, let's get chicken tenders, let's get spam, and let's get some corn cheese because you know I love corn cheese. Let's go get some drinks. More like cola. And then let's go get it. I would like a matcha cookie cereal. Oh my god. Matcha cookie. Oh, that looks so good. We can't eat that. We have to eat it because that's a dessert. The spam over here. Put the chicken tenders. Oh, over here. I got some $100 over here. I hope you enjoy. This one first. I am hungry. Chicken tenders. My avatar likes this. Okay, let's drink the cola. Sometimes I eat like the sometimes I eat the ice. That's so cool. Strawberries. I love matcha cookies. Avatar likes this. Let's go steal. Stealing this. Can I steal something? Or can I sit? Oh, there's apples. There's lime. Wait. Is this? Give me some of this. Whoa, what is that? Burrito tacos? What are burrito tacos? Whoa. Let's put some lime on it. But I love burritos. Putting spicy sauce. Oh my god. Put some lime on it. More lime on it. Oh! That's good. Oh my god. So that's a mission completed. We stole something. Is this person eating? Hello? Eating someone. I would like this. Give me something. You want me to steal it from you? Give me something. Okay, wait. I'm just gonna make my own food. Clear the table. Now. Oh. Touch your buttons and the cornballs. My friend is gonna eat like asthma with me. Asthma. Whoa. You are gonna make ASMR for me. Oh, he just left.